Welcome to an extraordinary scene at a bustling construction site. Here we have a hard-working hamster, dressed in a construction labor outfit complete with a cap. Watch as he skillfully holds bricks and handles other labor instruments with surprising ease. This tiny worker is impressing everyone on site with his dedication and skill. It's a heartwarming and humorous sight that showcases the remarkable capabilities of this industrious hamster. Stay tuned for more delightful and unexpected moments like this.
Like our video, leave your lovely comments, and subscribe to our channel for more good times about the lovely pets.